as well? Do you think it'd be a good idea? It'd be helpful for us?
I think it's a great idea because you're overexposed to mold,
Yes.
and sometimes in significant quantities. And I know you must have to get into crawl spaces that are absolutely laden with mold spores.
Oh.
So God only knows what health concerns you might even now be dealing with. I don't know because I've never evaluated you, but yes, they should be for sure. Yeah. So the Alice's technique that we use. Probably I should just emphasize that it is totally non-invasive. It's very quick. It's rapid acting. It's permanent in most cases. I mean, when we treat somebody for mold, it may take depending on the degree, the amount of mold spores we're dealing with. Usually, it does not take long. Typically 2 or 3 treatments, and that usually takes care of the issue in most cases. So there's no danger involved in it. We've treated babies with this technique. We've treated people in their late 90s with this technique. There was absolutely no side effects to the technique. And an interesting aspect also is that this technique that I developed and perfected over the years has been extensively tested on animals in Florida. In Florida, with the help of a licensed veterinarian, I started treating dogs and cats and horses who had severe allergic reactions. We've had pre and post video, hundreds and hundreds of pre and post videos of the success of this treatment on animals. So this can tell you 2 things. One, it's not a placebo. The results we get are not based on any placebo because animals don't know anything about placebo effects. And 2, it verifies the effectiveness of the technique because we can treat both humans and animals with this technique. Although I must say we're limiting our treatment at this point to just humans.
One of the questions I've got, Dr. Cushing, is that I'm sure that a lot of people want answered, is that how much does your service cost?